Hey guys, we're here at Fox and we're going to record today the score for Terminator, and I'm looking for building 26 and it's right there, and that's the scoring stage. We're going to go inside and have a peek how it's like to record a score. But you got to be quiet because otherwise we have too many noises on tape. Okay, let's go inside. Beautiful guys. The only thing I want to fix is bar 100 and 110 into 111.
Okay.
Like once, the first one always seems to be a little hard to play, and then after that they're all perfect.
Okay. All right, so let's have clicks from 99.
No, I think you should have some people do line transfer. Instead of this is because it makes kind of a jerk onto the.
Do you like that?
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, let's try that globally.
Let's have-
Half the people are going. Oh, actually, it doesn't apply to you guys. Actually, you guys are okay.
Can you do the opposite?
Okay, then let's do it.
And then
Yeah, half. Half.
start really quietly though, because that's the important thing. Is get the.
So let's then punch in at 100.
Yep.
And do not play downbeat of 113. Can I have that one more time, please?
Sure.
Okay guys, let's move on. Punch in 86.
Clicks from 84 coming in at 86. We'll go all the way through 91.
Oh, and in this case, Steve, you also make that a quarter note marcato.
At 91.
At 90, at 88 and 91.
Right.
Together with the basses.
Yeah.
And we should do that. Okay.
We need to do this.
So what I would suggest actually is to redo 86, 87. Jelly, do not play the downbeat of 88, but do a fresh start there, so we got a really proper rip.
Okay. So basses don't play 88 either. We'll just get that separate. So we're just getting 86 and 87. Do not play 88. Clicks from 84.
Great.
All right. So you want to grab 88 now, Tom?
That's correct.
Okay.
88 through 91.
All right. So clicks from 86, 88 through 91, cello and basses, and then we'll come back for the violins in the back.
Beautiful. 6 and 44.
Wait, we gotta get this right. 73.
Sorry. What are those? Yeah, the 8 violas. Sorry, viola violins.
Okay. So we're
I got
gonna
too
have,
excited here. Sorry.
we'll have clicks from 71.